Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can create account on Faceit. So as you can see, I've already opened it. In the same way, you also need to open it. So we have to click on this. So as you can see now it's open. Now if you want to create an account, you can also do that. Simply we have to click on the join now. And after clicking on the join now, it will verify. We need to wait for a few seconds. So as you can see now, we have to provide the email address. So I'm going to write my email address. And let's click on the continue. And now we have to provide these details, like I'm going to mention these details as you can see. And now we need to provide the password. And now simply we have after providing these all details, we have to click on the create account. So as you can see now our account is created, and you will be, after creating your account, you will be able to see like this. As you can see, has the email address and each and everything is mentioned here. Now in this way you can create your account on Faceit. As you can see now, you can edit this, you can upload your picture, cover page as well. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can create your account on Faceit, which is very easy to understand. So see you guys in the next video.